Hey guys, this is Jess here at Summit RV in Ashland, Kentucky again, and I am standing in front of one of our customers' favorite floor plans. We cannot keep these in stock. This is our Jayco Jay Flight 284BHS. It is a great floor plan if you have children or if you just have a lot of people that like to come camping with you and you need a lot of sleeping space, but you still want to have an outside kitchen. So let's go check it out and I will show you a little bit about it. Alright guys, so this is a Jayco Jay Flight SLX. This is a little bit more affordable version of the Jay Flight. It doesn't have quite as many upgraded features as a regular Jay Flight, but it still has some really nice features that make it a great value for the money that you're going to spend on it. So in the front here you can see that we are solar ready. We have two 20-pound LP tanks. You can see our pass-through storage is still large and you do have access to it from underneath the bed. We have a power awning with an LED light strip as well as built-in Carefree outdoor patio speakers that are controlled by your indoor sound system. So you can play with your Bluetooth over your phone through your sound system for outside music, or you can pop in a DVD, bring your TV out here, hang it right here on this mount and enjoy some movies with your family right here under your patio awning. We have Goodyear tires that are nitro filled, and this does have Dexter axles. All of that is made in America. Excellent quality. It's going to last you a long time. Very, very good. We have an outside camp kitchen here on this particular floor plan. Comes with a 2-burner cooktop. We've got a sink right here, and then we have a mini fridge just to keep some things cold out here if you want some drinks in this or whatever is convenient for you. Just something a little bit extra. Right here at the rear you can see we have a spare tire, and we have the Furrion plug-and-play backup camera system. It's already wired for it. All you have to do is buy the monitor and the camera and you will be good to go. As we move along the side, you're going to see that we have the shower for outside. You can actually spray things off, or if you need to rinse your kids off or your dog or anything that might get dirt inside your camper, it's a nice convenient place to do that. You can see right here on the weight sticker that we are towing at right at 6,273 pounds on this particular model. That's going to be awesome because it's definitely half-ton towable, and you can bring along plenty of camping gear to go with it. It is perfect for a family of 4 to 6 or even on up to 8. This does have a full walk-on roof. It has the Magnum Truss roof system, so you can get up there with the help of a ladder and check your seals every quarter and make sure that you don't need to reseal anything, and keep your roof looking in the shape that you want it to, so this is going to last you for a very long time. So as we step inside here, you're going to see how spacious this is and how it's set up so nicely for cross conversation between the kitchen and the family, whether they are at the dinette or if they might be over here at the couch. We'll check this out a little bit further. There is storage underneath this dinette. All you have to do is just lift up the cushions. We do have a way to break this down, and this is going to make a bed, so that's going to give you an extra sleeping space. This floor plan will sleep up to 10. We have the sofa here, which is also a sleeping space. It lays down. And then across from the sofa we have this excellent TV setup. So if you decide that you want to watch TV, it's right here across from the sofa, so you can do that. Here is your sound system. This is AM, FM, CD, DVD, Bluetooth, auxiliary. We've got an HDMI port there as well as a USB. Lots of cabinet storage all around this entertainment system. Drawers. This cabinet is a closet. The rod, so you can hang things up if you need to, but it's nice and tall. Put a lot of stuff in there. And then another thing about this floor plan that a lot of people really love is this big pantry over here. You can use it for clothes, you can use it for camping gear, you can use it for food, whatever you would like to have stored right in here. we'll just turn right out here and check out this kitchen. We have seamless countertops as well in this floor plan. It does not have the molding around the edge, so you're not going to have to worry about that breaking or coming out. We have a nice double basin sink, stainless steel faucet. We have a Dometic oven here where you can bake. Nice digital microwave from High Point. And then we have a 6 cubic foot Norcold refrigerator. Should give you plenty of room to pack everything that you need to go camping and cook a lot of great food over the campfire. And as you can see here, we have a nice deep pocket freezer as well. That'll take care of things there. Now we'll head right here to the bunk area. These are double bunks, so these are really spacious. It's not going to make anybody feel claustrophobic. However, they do have a privacy curtain, so if you want to close that, you can. We do have windows in both bunks, which is really nice. It just gives you some extra lighting in there, and there is a light in each bunk, and then also an AC vent right here above. So you've got some cooling going on down here, and the 15K AC that this RV does have and is upgraded with is going to flow right into that bunk area. So now as we head here into the bathroom, you're going to notice we have a vanity with a sink right here in the corner with a mirror above it. And then we have a big, huge walk-in shower, very tall, big skylight above. And then we have a foot pedal flush toilet as well. This is a nice big bathroom, plenty of floor space, storage under the sink, towel rack. Here's a nice little overview of the living area. So you can just see this slide is placed so perfectly so that the television is in the perfect spot, and there's tons of space all the way down the middle of this RV, so you don't feel claustrophobic, and you can get to where you need to be without being on top of each other. So now we're going to head right here into the bedroom, and we'll check out the master bedroom. We do have a curtain to give you some privacy in here as well. We have a place to mount a TV right there on that wall. And then of course we have the queen size residential Simmons sleep system, strictly for Jayco. And then underneath the bed we have the access to the pass-through storage. And that is all in the bedroom. Okay guys, so one final point, this Jayco is still protected by the 2-year limited warranty from Jayco. They have an amazing warranty and they're so easy to work with. They really believe that all of their products should be quality, that you shouldn't have issues with them, and if you do during that warranty period, they will work to help you and make it right. So if you have any questions, give us a call. It is 606-928-6795. We are located on Route 60 in Ashland, Kentucky. We've been here since 1976. We are a family-owned and operated business by the same local family since 1976. So give us a shot. Come check us out. We promise that we will make it worth your while. We are open Monday through Friday until 6 p.m. and on Saturdays until 5 p.m. If you have any questions, feel free to send us an email at sales@summitrv.com or simply hop on our website, summitrv.com, and hit live chat, and we will be right with you guys. Thanks, everybody.